Hello, my friends. I'm very excited to share this bundle with you. It is one of those grab and go because you know what? It's going to go really quick. What we like to do on the first of each month is offer the whole collection. So our Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting their stamps and dies sent to them, but I've added more to the collection or to the bundle. So here we go. Let me show you those items really quick. Go check out the real video in just a second, but I want to show you because this usually sells out and I don't want you to miss out because if you get the whole collection, not only are you getting the flash sale price, you are getting a special bundle price and your club discount. I know, you're getting like so many discounts, I can't believe it. But here we go, really quick. Fun Fourth stamp set with the dies that match. With this heart, you're also going to be able to add all of these awesome words that go with it. These are Fun Firecracker Phrases. Say that 3 times fast. Then we also have our Piece It die that's perfect for this, and our fireworks stencil. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Grab the whole collection because once that whole bundle is gone, it's gone forever at that special, amazing price. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.